Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cognitive health with what I believe to be the best NeuroTonix available. Sampuraka NeuroTonix support healthy memory. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about what sets NeuroTonix apart from the rest. This advanced formula is designed to support healthy memory function, giving your brain the boost it needs to perform at its best. So, what exactly can you expect from NeuroTonix? Well, for starters, it's packed with essential vitamins and minerals that are known to support cognitive function. From memory recall to mental clarity, this formula has you covered. And here's the best part. NeuroTonix doesn't just stop at vitamins and minerals. It also contains specialized ingredients aimed at promoting brain health from every angle. Whether you're looking to enhance focus, concentration, or overall brain function, NeuroTonix delivers. Impressive, right? It's clear that NeuroTonix is making waves in the world of cognitive health, and for good reason. With its powerful formula and rave reviews from users, it's no wonder why it's considered the best NeuroTonix on the market. And that wraps up our review of Sampuraka NeuroTonix support healthy memory. If you're ready to take your cognitive health to the next level, be sure to give NeuroTonix a try. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, stay sharp.